may not increase the appropriations recommended by the President. Walang increase, pwede magbawas. So, bakit iba-iba yung nagawa? And then, no provision shall be embraced unless it relates specifically to a particular appropriation. Wala nga particular Various infrastructure projects. Pipirma ka ba ng ganun? Ano yung various na yun? Ito, pag tinanong
parang pork barrel yun, ma'am?
Di ko alam various infrastructure projects, VIP nga Nagkakamali siya tuloy lahat. Ngayon. Tapos, the procedure in approving appropriations shall strictly follow the procedure for approving appropriations. Walang lihim, walang dilim sa ating saligang batas. Our Constitution is neither obtuse nor complicated. It's very, very clear-cut. It instructs us exactly what to do.